In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check LinkedIn block list. If you want to review the people you've blocked on LinkedIn, the good news is that it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. This is useful if you want to confirm whether someone is blocked, manage your privacy settings, or simply keep your account organized. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to your feed. This is the main homepage you usually see after signing in, where posts, updates, and network activity appear. Starting from the feed makes it easy to navigate because all of your account controls are accessible from here. Once you're on the LinkedIn feed, look to the top area of the page and click on Me. This opens the account menu connected to your profile. If you're using a desktop browser, this option is typically easy to spot in the top navigation bar. It's the place where LinkedIn groups profile-related options and account controls. After opening that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you into the section where LinkedIn stores all of your personal account settings, including security, visibility, and communication preferences. If you've never explored this area before, it's worth knowing that many important account options are kept here. When you arrive in Settings and Privacy, click on Visibility. This section is specifically focused on how your profile and activity appear to other people on LinkedIn. Since blocking controls are related to who can see and interact with you, this is the correct section to open. Next, look for the option labeled Blocked Members and click on it. This is where LinkedIn shows the list of accounts you've blocked. Once you open it, you'll be able to review the members currently on your block list. If you were trying to verify whether someone has been blocked, this is the page that will give you that answer. As a quick tip, take your time while reviewing the list, especially if you've blocked people in the past and don't remember all of them. This section is strictly for checking blocked members, so if you're doing a privacy review, it can be a helpful place to revisit occasionally. And that's it. From the LinkedIn feed, go to Me, then Settings and Privacy, open Visibility, and select Blocked Members to view your block list. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find exactly what you needed on LinkedIn.